What's hard about dating you? When I have a bad day, I don't want to talk to anyone. I don't want to be helped either. I just want to exist in silence for a while. The same goes for my girlfriend. She shares her frustrations with me, and I just listen now. I used to try to help her fix things because I hated seeing her miserable. Now I just let her vent, then I hug her, and we sit or lay down for a bit until she feels better. Sometimes I offer her a snack. Another one. I enjoy my alone time very much. I have a separate bedroom from my girlfriend, and 2 to 3 days a week, I sleep separately. It helps me relieve tension and relax a lot. My ex-girlfriend didn't like it, so she broke up with me. However, my current girlfriend has no problem with it. In fact, she is also this type.